Hey everyone, welcome back Beaming Beauty. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed with schoolwork and wanting to achieve academic success? Well, you're in luck because today we're sharing our top tips on how to be a smart student. From effective note-taking strategies to time management techniques, we'll cover it all. So, let's get started. Tip number 1, set clear goals. Setting clear goals is essential to achieving academic success. It helps you stay focused, motivated, and directed. Take some time to reflect on what you want to achieve in the short term and long term. Write down your goals and make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. Tip number 2, develop a study routine. Developing a study routine helps you stay organized, focused, and consistent. Create a study schedule that works for you and stick to it. Set aside dedicated time for studying, reviewing, and practicing. Make sure to include breaks and self-care activities to avoid burnout. Tip number 3, practice effective note-taking. Effective note-taking helps you capture important information, review material efficiently, and retain information better. Experiment with different note-taking strategies, such as the Cornell method, mind mapping, or outlining, to find what works best for you. Tip number 4, review and reflect regularly. Regular review and reflection help you reinforce learning, identify areas for improvement, and develop a growth mindset. Schedule regular review sessions, use a planner or calendar to stay organized, and reflect on your progress through journaling or self-assessment. Tip number 5, seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you're struggling with a concept or subject. Reach out to your teachers, tutors, or classmates for support. Utilize online resources, such as video tutorials or online forums, to supplement your learnings. Tip number 6, take care of yourself. Taking care of your physical, emotional, and mental health is essential to achieving academic success. Make time for self-care activities, such as exercise, meditation, or spending time with loved ones. Tip number 7, stay motivated. Staying motivated is crucial to achieving academic success. Find your why, set achievable goals, and celebrate your successes along the way. Surround yourself with positive influences, such as motivational quotes or images to help you stay motivated. And there you have it. Guys, our top tips on how to succeed in school.